Hey folks, yeah, this is an update from the models and tutorials SIG. I'm covering for Daniel, who couldn't be here today, unfortunately. So one of the tools that was introduced in the SIG last year was DigestAI. And this is around model visualization and analysis. So we've all heard of Netron and Model Explorer that Justin shared today for visualization of graphs. And those tools have been really useful for looking at graphs and understanding data flow patterns and operators. But especially with GenAI and LLMs, we've seen the graphs have gotten much larger. And it got to a point where just visualizing the graphs were not useful. And we wanted to go another step beyond that, which is what led to the birth of DigestAI, which takes ONNX graphs, digests the graphs, and provides you with information around the operator, the subgraph patterns, similarity of a given model with other models, flops, and a lot of in-depth overview of the graph itself that you can use to make decisions on performance estimations or look at how you could optimize for this particular graph on your backend. And we also added some features like downloading models directly from Hugging Face and having a UI that will give you a representation of the graph, and being able to freeze the graph, shape infer, and use ORT optimizations on these graphs. And we've seen this tool to be really useful for model analysis across the board. We also have a lot of users of this tool who continue to do analysis with this tool. And just encourage you to download and use this tool and send feedback our way, or feel free to contribute. It's under ONNX/DigestAI. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Javier Martinez, co-chair of the Model Zoo and Tutorial SIG. The other part of the SIG talks about Model Zoo and tutorials. We haven't been that active during this year as the Model Zoo has evolved. We're in discussions on what to bring for the next year. But on the tutorials front, we've taken the opportunity of this push to ONNX 2.0 to kind of reach out to the community and discuss about new tutorials that can help usher this new area within ONNX of 2.0. I put here a few options, but certainly give us some of your suggestions on what other things you would like to see. And the invitation also goes to my fellow SIG co-chairs and talk about what things from your SIG you would like to include under the tutorial umbrella. Thank you very much.